This is Zena Brown, your Educational Technology Specialist. In this video, we'll go over the tools that can be used in MyBackPack to help integrate technology into instruction. To access MyBackPack, you can type in the web address into the toolbar, mybackpack.apsk12.org. If you haven't used the tool before, more than likely you'll be prompted to enter your Atlanta Public Schools username and password. On the left side of MyBackPack, you'll find resources that you'll use in your everyday experience with Atlanta Public Schools. There's a link for Infinite Campus, there's Lawson, MyPLC, which is True North Logic, access to how-to videos, which go into more detail on how to use MyBackPack, a link to the ebooks that can be utilized in your classroom and shown on a Promethean board so that you can have whole group interaction with them. And then in the lower left-hand corner is Microsoft Partners in Learning. When you click on this tile, you can access it using your Atlanta Public Schools username and password. And then finally down at the bottom is a user-friendly search engine, Bing. This is Bing for Education. So this tile is also on the student's MyBackPack page, and they can use this to find educational resources when they're searching the internet. Over on the right side of MyBackPack, we have our student news. This tile over in the upper right hand corner says CFY, which will be changed to Power My Learning, which is a free tool that can be used by all Atlanta Public School students and is similar to Study Island. The middle section are the tools that students can use to collaborate and integrate technology into instruction. Starting with Calculate, this is Microsoft Excel, the web version. Going over to Present, this is PowerPoint. Write is Microsoft Word. Notebook is OneNote, but we'll go into more detail about this in a later video. Storage is similar to your Dropbox or your SkyDrive. To get started with MyBackPack, click on Storage. What you should see is a list of documents that you've created using Microsoft Storage. If My Content does not come up, then you need to send me an email and we need to figure out what we need to do to correct your MyBackPack. But My Content is similar to a Google Drive, a Dropbox, or any of the other type of cloud storage devices that can be used. When you use MyBackPack and click on a tab, the MyBackPack homepage stays in the background, so you can always click on that to get back to MyBackPack. When you're using one of the Office 365 tools, such as Present, simply click on the tile, and what will happen is it has you name the document. So in this case, I'm going to name it Practice Venetian Presentation and click on OK. From here, this takes me into the PowerPoint Online, which looks very similar to the PowerPoint that is running on your computer. Now remember, we've already typed in the name and saved the document. One of the things that's neat about Office 365 is you have the ability to share your presentation. You can click on Share. In most cases, I think it's easier to get a link. And if you want people to be able to collaborate with you, you can click on Create Link under the Edit column and copy and then paste that link into an email. So now, if I go back to MyBackPack and click on Storage, remember we save our documents first. And if I scroll down the list, I see my Practice Venetian presentation that shows that the presentation has been saved in my storage drive. So going back to the MyBackPack homepage, again, we have Calculate, Present, and Write, which are all a part of the Office 365 tools, along with Notebook, which will go into further detail in a separate video. Storage is where we want to start to make sure that our MyBackPack is working correctly. This has been Zena Brown, your Educational Technology Specialist, and this is a video reviewing how to use MyBackPack.